Before I go up on the farm in the morning, I have to make a warm cup of tea. From this virus come around, I have to try to protect myself and build up my immune system. So all the ingredients I use to make this cup of tea is like 2 lemon, 2 pegs of garlic, piece of turmeric, and also ginger. You know that ginger good for circulation. So all these things just help to build up your immune system. So before I touch a farm, I have to have this cup of tea, alright? So the mango, you don't know, say a mango season right now and you don't know. Vitamin C, we need that for the body. So you gotta eat some mango before you touch a farm, you know? So you don't know, say a mango time. So I say the mango, we call them robin. Robin, we call them. That tour of duty on the farm. This one is called garmentizing. This is how we do it. Take a good notice on this one first, please. Look at it right here. It's like a new plant growing in the old one. So this is what we call garden. So when you do that, you get a better growth in the tuber. Some bigger leaves and stuff. Look at these leaves. And many people don't know, you see the nicotine in the tobacco, you find it right in the vein. Look right here, right in the vein of the leaf. That's where the nicotine is. Right in the vein right here, the nicotine. Look at this one. This is about 6 feet or more. Look at it.